Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai. So finally friends, the Oneplus Nord 2 has been arrived in my studio, and today I'll be able to do plenty of videos on the Oneplus Nord 2 device finally. So in case if you want me to do any other comparisons, specifically comparing with the iQOO 7 device or the Realme X1 Max or the Poco F3 GT, let me know in the comment section below. And one more quick note, I'll try to create the community post very soon. I'll try to ask you with which phone you want me to compare first using the Oneplus Nord 2. I'll try to focus only on that one phone particularly, only for today, and from tomorrow I'll try to focus on the second phone. In that way I'll be able to solve all the questions whatever you're having on this Oneplus Nord 2 device. Let's get started friends without wasting any time. I do know this phone and this phone, they are eagerly waiting to check what the Oneplus Nord 2 has got in terms of the performance and how it can actually perform under my condition. That is what matters friends. Let's see in my usage and in my intense kind of testing whether this Oneplus Nord 2 will be able to survive my extreme kind of testing or not. You know my testing of how I'll be doing. So let's see what the OnePlus Nord 2 has got. So recently a lot of users are actually planning to buy the OnePlus Nord 2 as well instead of Realme X1 Max and the Poco F3 GT. Let's see, is it worth of buying or not? Let me need to quickly remove this plastic and everything. Yes, sorry for the sound disturbance friends, sorry for that. So let's see what is the box contains here. And yes, finally we got the Nord, as you can see friends. So the box looks like the previous Nord device itself. This is a OnePlus Nord 2. Let me start doing the unboxing. And in case if you want to support me, definitely you can do the phone pay or GPay to my number. And those money I'll be using only to buy the phones because I don't get any kind of review units. And even if I get the review units, I'll be treating the same phones how I am treating today. So let's see friends what are the box OnePlus Nord 2 has got. Let me try to keep all this other phone side. So I'll try to make this desk to look kind of clean when I'm trying to do the unboxing. Let's see the box. Yes, here we go, the OnePlus Nord 2. Let me try to quickly open the OnePlus Nord 2. Let me try to keep this knife side. Yes, finally friends, the OnePlus Nord 2, the color which I did order is the blue color. As you can see, it gets completely mixed with my background chart. So from now I think I need to change my background whenever I try to do the OnePlus Nord 2, I think so. So don't forget to participate in the community voting friends. So only because of the community voting and a lot of feedback only I was able to buy this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So that's the one thing which I can definitely say that. Let me try to do the unboxing properly this time without even missing anything kind of things. So this is the kind of case which we did get right now. It's kind of not that strong, but same kind of case which we did see in the couple of other OnePlus. That's the one thing. Let me try to open. Let's see whether we'll be able to get any kind of 3.5mm adapter or not, which is the Type-C to 3.5mm adapter. And we do get the SIM card pin. Here we go, SIM card pin, and here's a small information and membership card, which is a Red Cable Club. I'll try to talk about this Red Cable Club in separate video, how to register and how to get that kind of 1 TB something they are climbing in the Amazon website. That's what I did see, and all this quick startup guide. And it is a charging cable, and it is a brick which is a 65 watt wrap charge. As you can see friends, 65 watt wrap charge. As you can see here, 65 watt wrap charge. And don't forget to comment under my videos. Definitely friends, I may not be able to reply to each and every person, but still I'll try to read the comments every time. Whenever I get the time when I'm trying to eat the food, I'll definitely try to scroll down the comments and I'll try to note down what are the videos to be made. That's the one thing which I'll be doing in my channel definitely. And the initial impressions were really good in this phone. I did like they brought this kind of slider back to this OnePlus Nord 2, which I did miss in the OnePlus Nord CE. That's really good. Even not that heavy as well. I try to do the build quality comparison with other smartphones, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos. So friends, the OnePlus Nord 2 has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset, and the variant which I ordered is a 8GB RAM variant. And let me try to keep everything in the box. And yes, absolutely. And then I'll try to talk about the specifications. So mainly I need to check on the Dimensity 1200 AI chipset. As you can see, that is what they did mention on the OnePlus Nord 2 device. I'm eagerly waiting for this kind of OnePlus Nord 2, mainly because of that. And I do believe the AI may be helpful for the camera in terms of the enhancing the colors and a little bit kind of color boosting while watching the videos. That is what I do feel in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Let me turn on and see how much power is there, how much juice is there. I don't know, the phone has got the 90 Hz refresh rate. That's a kind of little bit kind of drawback, just a little bit, but for some users it doesn't matter the refresh rate. But still, for this kind of price, and we are seeing the 120 Hz refresh rate friends. So that is the reason I'm trying to just mention that. And dual SIM, obviously 5G is supported, and we are getting the Oxygen OS and 4500 mAh of battery capacity in the OnePlus Nord 2. So definitely I'll try to focus on the battery they in comparison with the Realme X1 Max mainly. So both phones, they do have the 4000 mAh of battery capacity. So this is going to be really very interesting comparison with other smartphones, and 2 years of software updates and 3 years of Android security patches. As you can see, that is what I did mention. So along with that, a 50 megapixel camera. So I need to mainly focus on the camera, I think, because a lot of viewers are actually waiting for this kind of new type of sensor and something. They did mention the AI camera type of enhancement features. As you can see, that is what I did call ultrascape and nightscape and everything. So I need to test the night mode in this phone, how well this phone can actually perform the night mode. So that is what I'll try to focus. So my first focus will be on this performance in terms of the speeds, how well this Dimensity 1200 AI will be able to handle in my kind of extreme testings, and how well the camera will be there in this OnePlus Nord 2 device, and how is the display and everything, how is the battery. First, I'll try to focus on speed, camera, battery, and all those details next. So let me try to remove this sticker and keep on the box. Yes, now you can actually see the exactly how the device actually feels on the back side. Not bad at all, friends. It looks really good in terms of the glossy finish which we did see. So it's a kind of, I think, material they did use, maybe OnePlus 9R and this one. It looks kind of similar for the both phones. That is what I did feel similar kind of whenever I try to hold the phone. That's what I got the experience of holding. And first thing is that I'll try to compare this all the Dimensity 1200 together. So that's what I'm going to compare together. So let's see which one will be having what kind of performance in terms of the Dimensity process. And I'm just trying to explain you what are my future plans about this OnePlus Nord 2. That is the reason I'm trying to talk about this OnePlus Nord 2 and future plans. In case if you want me to add any other particular video, what you are looking after, let me know in the comment section below. I think we did not get the 3.5mm jack within the box, no. As you can see, friends, even in the box as well, did not mention any kind of 3.5mm jack, Type-C to 3.5mm jack. As you can see, previously in the unboxing video of the Poco F3 GT, I did not show the 3.5mm jack. That's my mistake. That's the reason I thought of just letting you know right now. And after this video, I'll try to create the playlist for the event for the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. So please, in case if you're planning to buy the OnePlus Nord 2, please try to postpone at least for 1 or 2 days. Just give me 2 days of time. Just 2 days of time, and in this 2 days of time, I'll be able to completely come to the conclusion what is happening about this OnePlus Nord 2. At least maybe 30 to 40% I can definitely come to the conclusion what is happening with this phone in terms of the performance, camera and everything. Is it worth to buy instead of this 2? Is it worth to buy on this one? That is what I'll try to focus for the next. Just give me two days, friend. 2 days should be completely enough. So you did get to know about the Poco F3 GT little bit, at least after watching my videos, all these videos. Same thing I'm gonna do for even for the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. I don't think I'll be sleeping tonight and maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure exactly, but right now I'm really totally excited for the OnePlus Nord 2 to do the comparisons, friends, absolutely. So just now I thought of having my lunch and I got my OnePlus Nord 2 just now. So I'll try to have my lunch a little bit and then I'll try to focus mostly on this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a quick unboxing and what my future plans about this OnePlus Nord 2. In case if you want me to include any other thing, let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.